Hello students, welcome back to my channel. So today, as I told, I will finish all numericals on refraction of light at plane surfaces. I am following Selena book. So from Selena book, I will cover important numericals. So first you follow the numericals mu equal to C by V based on the formula mu equal to C by V. Okay, where mu equal to is the absolute refractive index. So, number one, the speed of light in air or vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. ताने given mu equal C equal to speed of light in air or vacuum 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Then calculate the speed of light in glass. Vg equal to how much? Given refractive index of glass is 1.5. So we can easily put in this formula mu equal to C by V implies mu 1.5 equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 by V. V means Vg. Okay, so implies Vg equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 by 1.5. So you can write down this 0.5. Okay, 0.5 means equal to 10 into 10 to the power 8 by 5. I made it 5 by 10, so here I wrote here 10. So 10 into 10 to the power 8 by 5. So 5 into 2. So you can write here answer 2 into 10 to the power 8. Okay, meter per second. 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay, so number 1 completed. Then number 2. Number 2, I am doing numerical from Selena book, page 82. So this is a old edition book, I think 2021 edition. From 2021 edition, the page is 82. From 82 page, I am doing the numericals. So number 1 completed. Number 2, the speed of light in diamond is 125,000 kilometer per second. Speed of light in diamond 125,000 kilometer per second. So you change it to meter per second equal to बना सकते इसको. Okay. What is the refractive index? What is its refractive index? So diamond का refractive index कितना होगा? Given speed of light in air or vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. You just put the formula mu equal to C by V. But V diamond implies equal to V diamond हो गया 125 into 10 to the power 6 by 3 into 10 to the power 8. Okay. So we can make this like this. Mu equal to C by V. V diamond. V diamond हुआ 125 10 to the power 6. So I put it wrong. You just see, this is 3 into 10 to the power 8. So this is 125 into 10 to the power 6. So 6 8. So that is 300 बाई 125. ओके, 5 में काटो, so you can make it 2.50 because 2. Okay, so mu equal to 2.4. Okay, then number 3, the refractive index of water with respect to air is 4/3. What is the refractive index of air with respect to water? So this is based on different formula like this. As I told you, so just remind what I taught in previous class. mu21 equal to 1 by mu12. Or you can write refractive index of glass with respect to water equal to refractive index of water with respect to glass. just उल्टा होता है. Suppose the refractive index of glass with respect to water equal to 3/2, then the refractive index of water with glass will become 2/2. Just उल्टा हो जाएगा. So this is very easy numerical. Number 3, the refractive index of water with respect to air. Water with respect to air equal to 4/3. What is the refractive index of air with respect to glass? With respect to water. How much? So refractive index of air with respect to water equal to 1 by refractive index of water with respect to air equal to 1 by 4/3 equal to 3/2. Okay. या इसको 0.75 भी कर सकते. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल, based on the formula lambda dash equal to lambda by mu. Lambda dash equal to lambda by mu. इसका कहने का मतलब here lambda equal to wavelength of light in air, mu equal to refractive index of the medium, lambda dash equal to wavelength of light in the medium. Suppose I can write like this. Suppose this is lambda of glass, so this should be lambda by mu glass. So light ray suppose air से glass में पास करता, तब glass का refractive index, wavelength of light in the glass हमें निकालना चाहिए. So this is the wavelength of light in air or vacuum. So इसका ऊपर one numerical is there. So I am just teaching you types of numerical. What type of numerical comes in exam? Same type I will cover. Try to cover. Okay. Number 4. A ray of light of wavelength 5400 angstrom suffers refraction from air to glass. So wavelength in air equal to 5400 angstrom. Okay. Taking mu Ga, refractive index of glass with respect to air equal to 3/2, find the wavelength of light in the glass. The wavelength of light in the glass. So this one, lambda G. How much? We have lambda G equal to lambda by mu G or mu Ga. Same thing, equal to 5400 by 3/2. So this is 5400 into 2/3. Equal to 3600. Okay, so this one completed. So first exercise numerical completed. Then next type numerical from page 88. Refraction of light through a glass prism. Okay, glass prism में जो रिफ्रैक्शन होता पेज 88 यू कैन फॉलो पेज 88 का न्यूमेरिकल। Just I recall you the formula in physics, I1 plus I2 equal to A plus delta. Yet minimum deviation I told you, I1 means angle of incidence, I2 means angle of emergence. At minimum deviation I1 equal to I2 equal to I implies क्या मैंने लिखा था 2I equal to A plus delta M. Because at minimum deviation I1 equal to I2 मैंने लिखा था I से I1 I2 को हम I बोलेंगे। ओके, I1 equal to I2 equal to I से 2I equal to A plus delta mean. ओके, this is possible only in an equilateral physics. In an equilateral physics minimum deviation takes place, so we can use the formula 2I equal to A plus delta M implies delta M equal to 2I minus A. So this is the formula, this should be used. Okay. Number 1, a ray of light incident at an angle of incidence 48, I equal to 48 degree. Okay. On a prism of refracting angle 60 degree. Refracting angle is same as angle of prism, means A equal to 60 degree. Okay, find supports minimum deviation. Calculate the angle of minimum deviation by using the formula delta M equal to 2I minus A implies delta M equal to 2 into 48 minus 60. 96 minus 60 equal to 36. Okay, so angle of minimum deviation is 36 degree. So I am doing only one numerical. Second one same as number 1. So no need to cover the second one because both are almost same. Then next, upper end depth and real depth. From sometime numerical are asked from upper end depth and real depth. So from upper end depth and real depth, first I am doing a numerical from page 91. Page 91. One example is there. So this example I will continue complete. Then after from exercise 1 to numerical. Okay. So here I am writing for the formula. So here you use the formula upper end depth equal to real depth by mu. Upper end depth equal to real depth by mu. Yeah. Second formula shift equal to real depth into 1 by 1 minus 1 by mu. So these two formula, this should be used. Like shift, second one upper end depth. Okay, upper end depth, real depth, this is shift and real depth. Okay, so you just follow book, Selina book, page 91. A coin is kept inside water. Example 4. A coin is placed inside water. Suppose a coin यहाँ पर है. A coin is placed inside water of refractive index 4/3. When viewed from air in a vertical direction, appears to be raised by 2 millimeter. ये हमें appear हुआ, कितना raised हुआ? Appear हुआ, appeared to be raised by 2 millimeter. इसका मतलब इसका ये होता है रियल डेप्थ. रियल डेप्थ इतना था, यहाँ तक तो अपर एंड डेप्थ, ये हो गया अपर एंड डेप्थ इतना है. लेकिन हमें अपियर हुआ ये कितना ऊंचा मैंने लिफ्ट हुआ, ये 2 मिलीमीटर, 2 मिलीमीटर, दिस इज 2 मिलीमीटर. सो दिस वन मस्ट बी शिफ्ट, दिस वन मस्ट बी शिफ्ट. मीन्स कॉइन का रियल डेप्थ तो इतना होना चाहिए, लेकिन हमें महसूस हुआ और यहाँ तक शिफ्ट होने के बाद हमें महसूस हुआ इसका अपर एंड डेप्थ इतना है. तब हम शिफ्ट वो कितना ऊंचा लिफ्ट हुआ, 2 मिलीमीटर. इसका मतलब शिफ्ट इक्वल टू 2 मिलीमीटर. यू जस्ट पुट द फॉर्मूला, ये वाटर, यू जस्ट पुट द फॉर्मूला शिफ्ट इक्वल टू क्या कहा, फाइंड द डेप्थ ऑफ द कॉइन, मतलब रियल डेप्थ निकालना. शिफ्ट इक्वल टू रियल डेप्थ इंटू 1 माइनस 1 बाई म्यू. इम्प्लाइड शिफ्ट कितना है 2 इक्वल टू रियल डेप्थ इंटू 1 माइनस 1 बाई 4 बाई 3. इम्प्लाइड 2 इक्वल टू रियल डेप्थ इंटू 1 माइनस 3 बाई 4. ओके, implies 2 equal to real depth into 1 by 4. इसको माइनस कर दिया, 4 minus 3 1 by 4 implies real depth equal to 80 मिलीमीटर. ओके, तो इसका रियल डेप्थ होगा 80 मिलीमीटर. सो नेक्स्ट वन न्यूमेरिकल we will continue. So that one, Selena book page 92. Only we will cover one more numerical, then you will clear. This one shift, then other one calculate the thickness of the glass slab. एक न्यूमेरिकल करेंगे जिसका रियल डेप्थ निकालना. A postage stamp kept below a rectangular glass slab of refractive index 1.5 when viewed from vertically above it. So Selena book example 3, एक ग्लास स्लैब, ये ग्लास स्लैब होता है. हम एक पोस्टेज स्टैम्प को देखेंगे. ये ग्लास का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स कितना है 1.5. पोस्टेज स्टैम्प kept below a rectangular glass slab of refractive index 1.5 when viewed from vertically above it appears to be raised by 7 millimeter. तो यहाँ पे था, हमें appear हुआ कितना मिलीमीटर उठा, मैंने ऊपर लिख हुआ 7 मिलीमीटर. तो पोस्टेज स्टैम्प का पोजीशन था यहाँ पर, it appears to be raised by 7 millimeter. ये 7 millimeter. Okay, so कैलकुलेट द थिकनेस ऑफ द ग्लास स्लैब. तो इसका रियल डेप्थ कितना कैलकुलेट करो. ओके, हम देखेंगे शिफ्ट इक्वल टू रियल डेप्थ माइनस इंटू 1 माइनस 1 बाई म्यू. वही है, शिफ्ट इक्वल टू रियल डेप्थ इंटू 1 माइनस 1 बाई म्यू implies 7 equal to real depth into 1 minus 1 by mu कितना है 1.5. ओके, implies 7 equal to real depth into 1 minus ये 15 by 10. 10 means 10 ऊपर चला जाएगा तो 2 by 3. ओके, implies 7 equal to real depth into 1 by 3. Okay, imply the real depth equal to 21 millimeter. So answer there है 2.1 centimeter. Okay, so ये real depth, upper and depth numerical completed. Then we will shift to total internal reflection. So this is the last part of the numerical. So this should be done. TIR इसका ऊपर ओके। मैं तुम लोग को न्यूमेरिकल से पहले थोड़ा बता देता हूँ। इफ I is less than C, so in this case only refraction, क्या होता है refraction। if I equal to C, then माने नो रिफ्लेक्शन, एक्चुअली पार्शियल रिफ्लेक्शन और पार्शियल रिफ्लेक्शन। हम इसको कैलकुलेशन सुविधा के लिए लिखेंगे नो रिफ्रैक्शन, बिकॉज लाइट रे विल पास थ्रू द बाउंड्री ऑफ द टू सरफेसेस। देन इफ आई एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस इज ग्रेटर देन सी, सो दैट इज TIR, टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन। हमेशा याद रखना, इफ आई will greater than C, then total internal reflection takes place. If I is less than C, then refraction takes place. If I will be C, then the light ray will pass along the boundary. Okay, so Selina book 101, page number 101, number 70. Goes like this. This is one exam question. Many times it has been asked in the examination like this. So this one 42. This one 42. 42 degree. So find the path of light till it emerges out. So if this is 42. So this should be 48 because total 90 degree. Here I is greater than C. ग्लास के लिए C होता है 42. This is 48. So total internal reflection takes place on this face. Suppose ये A B C, ये face में total internal reflection होगा. So light ray will go like this. This one will also 48 because I will be equal to R as total internal reflection takes place. So this is 48 means this is 42. This is 90. So this is 48. Here you put normal. So this one 42. Oh, here one thing happened. I equal to C because glass के लिए C 42. So as I equal to C, the light ray will go along the boundary line of the two surfaces to medium, so it will pass like this. Okay, first light ray will go like this. Here total internal reflection takes place. Then here it will meet here, and in this case it will pass through the boundary. As the angle of refraction is 90 degree, here no refraction takes place. It will pass through the boundary. Okay, this question. Maximum time it has been asked maximum time wherein 4 marks or 3 marks. So you should memorize this question. Then next one. Selina book number 24, page 102. Suppose this is a prism. This is a equilateral prism. This is an equilateral prism. So this is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. This is 60. Okay, light ray is coming like this. कभी कभी ये चीज याद रखना, इन एग्जाम समटाइम दिस लाइन comes here. Here means you just put the scale and you see to which face it is meet. It is meeting in which place? Definitely it will meet to this place. Suppose it will here, then it will be meet here, not here. So you should be cautious. Because many times suppose in this numerical it is given here, sometimes it is given here. Here means it will got this place, not this place. Okay, so you just see here the ray of light comes like this. Because this is 90 means angle of incidence is 0. So this one 90, this is 30. So this is 60. Normal. This is 60. Okay. I is greater than C. Because glass के लिए C होता है 42 degree. So I is greater than C. So this one 60. Okay. This one 60. So this one 30. तो अब हम देखेंगे ये 30 ये 60. So ये definitely 90. So 90 means angle of incidence 0. So this will go straight away like this. Okay. Complete? Do you follow me? Acha. Then number 22. Number 22, page 101. In the given figure, a ray of light PQ is incident normally on the hypotenuse of an isosceles right-angled prism ABC. 22 number. ये 90, ये 45, ये 45. ये क्या कहा? ये लाइट रे ऐसे आएगा, तो जस्ट मार्क in which phase it is touching. Suppose this line will be here, this would cross this phase, but this is here. Here means okay. So this is 45, this one 90. Okay, this one 45, this one also 45, because this is normal. So in this case, I is greater than 42, I is greater than C. So in this case, total internal reflection takes place. So this one also 45. As this one 45, this one also 45. This is also 45 because this is 90. So here normal you put normal. This one also 45. So this one 45. I is greater than C. So this should be 45. Okay. Then light ray will go like this. This is 45 means this is 45. So this should be 90. So 90 means angle of incidence 0. So it will go in a straight way like this. Okay. So I completed almost all important numericals. So today this much. If still you face any difficulty in numerical, you just comment me. I will definitely help. According to your comment, I will solve the numerical. There are many numericals. All could not be possible. If you will face any difficulty, you may contact me. Thank you.